we have a solid wooden cube painted blue on the outside. So here it is, and imagine shading all of it blue or painting all of it blue. We then split it into 27 smaller cubes of equal size. Okay, so there's lots of these. Now I'm going to imagine that these are 1 by 1 by 1 cubes. So because there's 27 of them, we're going to have 27 cubed overall. And we can reverse engineer this and say that the original cube was 3 by 3 by 3, because that also gives a volume of 27. You might alternatively start with 3 by 3 by 3, because you can see that that 3 cubed gives 27, and then you'll get a 1 by 1 by 1 cube, or 27 of them, whichever way you want. But this is a possible way. We're only interested in the fractions, so it's absolutely fine. You could even call it x, and these would be 3x if you wanted to. So let's take a look at the surface area of this original cube. Well, each face has area 3 times 3, because we've got lots of squares. Actually, we've got 6 squares. So the surface area is 6 times 3 times 3. So when it comes to these new cubes, we're still going to have 6 times 3 times 3, that area shaded. It's just that some of them will have 3 faces shaded if they're like on the corner. Some of them might only have 1 if they're shaded on the front, but there's definitely only going to be 6 times 3 times 3 centimeters squared shaded. So what about the total surface area of these 27 cubes? Well, now each cube is going to have a surface area of 6, because it's 1 times 1 for the area, and then we times by 6 because that's how many faces we've got. And then this time there's 27 of them. So that is going to be the fraction. The blue shaded area, which is the same as the original cube, divided by the total surface area. And all we need to do now, see, I don't need to actually work these out. If I work them out, I have to cancel, simplify it. It's going to be harder work than if I leave it like this, because I can just cross out the 6's. I get 9 over 27, which then becomes 1/3. You could even cancel out this to make 9, then we get 3 over 9, however you like, and you can cancel that down further. But ultimately, it's got to be 1/3. Nice.